Gaming here. Welcome back to another video on MotoGP 17, and this is the final video on the game now, guys. We're not doing any more videos after this one, because obviously I only do 4 videos a week on, well, the 2 days I do film it. And yeah, we'll be back to Monday now after today. So yeah, today we're going to be doing another time attack video. I know we haven't done time attack in quite a few videos. I've started not using time attack as much for some reason now. I've always gone into Grand Prix mode and stuff, and I've not been using it a lot. But I thought that today we can get some practice laps, basically. So we're going to be using 2 of my custom MotoGP bikes. We're doing the Yamaha first, and we're doing 2 MotoGP bikes with my own rider, and we're going to do 2 long time attacks and see what laps I can do, basically. What decent laps I can do, by the way. So I'm going to do it on clear, just because it'll be a bit easier for the bikes, and that means I can get some good laps. And everything else completely fine. We're being our own rider, and we're doing 2 long runs with 2 of my custom bikes. That's kind of the way I'm doing it, and I'm doing the first one at Jerez. And yeah, we're going to do 2 long time attacks to see how it goes. And also, there will be a few series in time attack as well. I know that I'm doing an official riders series. I'm doing a series where I be my own rider in order. And I think I'm also doing a few more as well. I know that I haven't started them all yet, so I'll be starting soon. But at the moment, I haven't started them yet because I want to keep this game on every time. I know that this game is like old now. But I really love this MotoGP just because like when I first got this MotoGP, it was one of my favourites basically. It was one of my favourite MotoGP games I loved, and there was like so much stuff in it you can do. So that's kind of the reason I just want to keep carrying it on, and that's why I moved it on to doing it 2 days a week, just because it's just a brilliant game, and like at the moment I just really enjoyed playing it when I started it. So that's why I just want to keep carrying it on and that. So that's why. That's the reason why. So anyway, here we go. So 2 long time attacks with these bikes. So let's go see what we can do. And yeah. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to start that again because yeah, got a valid lap. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to get any valid laps because I hate getting those. Because I know that in the past I've got a lot of them, by the way, so I just need to make sure I don't end up getting loads. Let's see what we can do with them. Ooh, okay. Let's see what we can do. I've actually been around Jerez in a little while. It's been a lot of while since I've been around here. Oh no, don't get valid lap. Okay, I always get like very conscious when I go near the grass, and I keep thinking I get a valid lap, but I keep getting a valid lap, but I don't. Just getting very conscious that I get a valid lap if I go near it. Oh, no. Okay. I hate it when I go right near it, because I keep thinking I'm going to get one. See what we can do. I haven't been on this bike in, don't even know when I was last on this bike. Don't know, I've no idea. 141, that's not a bad start. See, I don't know, yeah, so the series will be starting soon. I don't know when exactly. But yeah, the series will be starting soon on this. I haven't got around to starting them yet, so I'll let you know. And also AI Crow will be back next week as well. I was actually going to bring it back this week, but yeah, I'm going to bring it back next week, and it'll be on every Thursday's AI Crow when it does eventually come back. Well, it might not be every Thursdays actually. Actually, no, it might not be every week actually, because I don't do the other crows every Monday. So yeah, it might not be every Thursdays. Oh no! Oh no! No, Jack! I told you to not get a valid lap. I told you to not get a valid lap, and you have. Okay, that's fine. I just don't want to get another one, because if I get another one, that's going to validate the other lap as well. So I don't want to get another one. Jack, I told you to not get one, and you've got one. And this bike that I'm on is my favourite bike in the game, and you've got a valid lap on it. I think you guys like the colour scheme on this bike. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? It actually matches my helmet, which is good. Yeah, red and black have always been my two favourite colours. I know that, obviously, like, red's the most of my colour. But it's kind of a nice design, isn't it? It's kind of a pretty cool, isn't it? Because unfortunately in the new MotoGPs, you can't have bloody custom bikes, which is really annoying. So it's only in this one, unfortunately. Yeah, in the other games, you can't have bloody custom bikes, which I'm not very happy about. I've no idea why they've took them off MotoGP 18, because I've really enjoyed them. A lot of people probably didn't like them or something like that. I don't know, but I'm glad that they're in this one, so that's good. And the bad news is in MotoGP 19 they've done the same. So it's only in this MotoGP they've only got the bloody custom styles. But I'm glad they've got them in this one though, so that's what I'm happy for. No. Oh, are you? I didn't even go on the grass. What? Game, why? I didn't even go on the grass. I didn't even go on the grass. That's just. I went on the curve. You're just mad, honestly. I should do a video at some point of trying to avoid a validated lap. I think I'll do that at some point. Yeah, I'll do a video at it doesn't really matter in Grand Prix mode because it don't do it in Grand Prix. It only does it in time attack. So what I'll do at some point, I'll do it at some point. I'll do a video of trying to avoid a validated lap. And if I do eventually get a validated lap, I've lost it. So, and also I'll do a challenge on it. Oh, that'll be cool for a challenge actually. Oh, that'll be really good for a challenge. The validated lap challenge. That'll be really cool. Yeah, I'm gonna do a challenge on that. Because speaking of challenges, yeah, we'll be doing challenges on here at some point. So that'll be good for a challenge. That'll be really good. I'll have to do that at some point. Because now that I do a series called, I think it's called Jack's MotoGP Challenge. I know that I haven't done that in a while. Yeah, that'll be coming back at some point. That I ain't done that in ages. That Jack's MotoGP Challenge, and I think I'm still in the Red Bull Rookies on that. So I need to do that at some point. I need to bring that back at some point. Yeah, I need to bring that back at some point. Jack's MotoGP Challenge. But yeah, I'll have to do a challenge on that at some point. Yeah, challenges will be starting soon. around to him yet. Right. For good news, I didn't get one on that lap, so I'm happy. And I might as well tell you guys in this video, Ride 3 starting this Sunday, just to let you all know. If you guys are a fan of Ride 3, yep, that is starting this Sunday. So hopefully you're a fan of that. I'm not even joking, it is this Sunday. So I'll be starting my first impressions on that. I might possibly only do 2 videos on it for this Sunday. Probably just the first impressions, so. Ooh, okay. Go speak with that time. Oh, that's another challenge I could do at some point. The Ghost Challenge. That'll be really good, won't it? The MotoGP Ghost Challenge. That'll be really good. Yeah, that's another challenge I can do at some point on the go. Well, I've got to try and beat the Ghost. That'll be really good. That'll be good for a challenge. I think I've already got a good title. Getting my laps in time attack. Yeah, that's the title. That's the title. Well, I've still got 140 at the moment. It's actually not what I wanted. Yeah, so by the way, when I do end up going out, these might still be uploaded. I'll try and get, as I mentioned, I'll get the thumbnails on, so they don't have to all be bloody random thumbnails. So yeah, I'll get all the thumbnails on, and then I'll go out and then I'll get them uploaded while I'm out. So them videos that I'm doing with Stevie, I might end up scheduling those, so I can get my gameplay out before I do videos with him. Oh, zoom go a bit wide there. So yeah, might end up doing that. Yeah, I think I'll do one more lap after this one. And I think we'll move on to the next bike. And that's pretty much the laps done for the Yamaha M1. I know, so when I do MotoGP 18 later, yeah, we'll be announcing when MotoGP 19 will be starting. It'll be in the next couple of weeks or so, I don't know when. Yeah, it'll be in a couple of weeks I'll be starting that. Don't even know when though. No, it's in September anyway, but I don't know what date. But I'm going to be announcing that later. Yeah, I'm doing two little videos on MotoGP 18. I'm doing a opening video, which will just be in the menu, and I'm going to be doing a video of I'm going to call it Start Up, where basically, if you know what that means, is where the game is starting up basically. So that's the two short videos on MotoGP 18, and then my channel is done until later when I've finished my football. There we are. So I managed to get a 1:39 on that lap. So that's done for the Yamaha. Not bad. Alright, so 1:39 is our best time. That's pretty good. Pretty good. There we are. We're done 7 laps overall. That's good. Alright, let's move on to the next one. So we're just going to be another custom bike again. What should we go for? I don't want to go for the Honda. I'm going to go for... Let's go for the Ducati. And we'll go for... Let's go for Mugello because that's where they usually make Ducati. So we'll go for that one. Yeah. Alright. Let's see what laps we can do on this one. Yeah, it's going to be quite a long video, this one. It's 25 to 3 now anyway, so as I mentioned, I'll get these online and then I'll be setting off. As I said, I'll get them little short MotoGP 18 videos on as well, and then yeah, there'll be proper MotoGP 18 videos later. Right then, here we go. Yeah, the Ducatis are pretty much the same design if you've seen it, guys. Yeah, this is the Ducati. It's pretty much the same design as my other bike. Yeah, as my other bike. So as you can see, all of them are pretty much all the same design. So it's pretty cool, isn't it? Pretty much all the same design. Nope. Ah. Just gonna get on that time. Who's that? Well, it's definitely not a number. What the bloody hell was that? My girlfriend. Bad time. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Yeah, the thing I don't like about my girlfriend is she always rings at a bad time. That's what I don't like about her. She needs to ask first, not bloody ring. It's annoying. It's annoying. I was basically like I was supposed to be ringing her last night. I was gonna ring her last night, but she never picked up my messages, so I didn't bother ringing her. But she's got her revenge now because I'm not ringing her. But I don't like it when she rings at a bad time. Because when she rings at a bad time, I can't answer it. That's the only problem. I hate it. But yeah, I hate it. Let's see if we can get a better lap now. Anyway, back to MotoGP. Let's see if we can get a better lap. Oh no! Oh, that was close. That was so close for a valid lap. Just about got it. That was so close to a valid lap. And another thing that... Oh yeah, back to girlfriend business again. Yeah, another thing I didn't say about her is... She always keeps getting worried all the time. I don't know why, but like, she always keeps getting worried about me. And I always keep saying to her, babe, just don't worry about me. I'm fine. I'm fine. You're being like my bloody mother. Like, it's my mum that should be worrying about me, not you. But it's fine, she's been like my mother. But that's what my mother is like anyway. But yeah, I don't know why she copies my mum. Weird. It's my mum that should be worrying about me, not bloody her. But yeah, she always keeps worrying about me all the time. And I don't know why. And I always keep saying to her, babe, just stop. I'm alright. I'm alright. It's weird. But yeah. Anyway, now we're back to MotoGP. Right, so on that lap we've just done a 150, so that's good. Let's see if we can keep going. Oh, Well, at least on that lap we did a 150, so at least I'm happy about that. I'll probably do one more lap after this one, because it's nearly getting 30 minutes. I want to try and make it 29 if I can. Don't want to make it 30, make it 29. I'll do one more. One more lap. Oh, not go on that grass. I think I might have done better than a 150. Okay, have you know? Let's have a look. What's it by? Yes, just a 149. That's better. That's even better than what I thought it were going to be. I think I'll end it there. Alright then. So, that's everything. Yeah, that is the laps. So I might do another video like this, maybe on the Moto2 bikes or something like that. I don't really know. I might do maybe another video like this or something. I don't really know, but I might do it for the Moto2 custom bikes or anything like that, like pick 2 bikes. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to do it like this. Yeah, I just wanted to just let you guys all know. So yeah, that's pretty much all of this video. I just wanted to just test 2 bikes. So I might do another one like this for Moto2 and MotoGP and Moto3. So I might do that. But yeah, I might end up doing a video like that as well. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you are, please give me a thumbs up. And please don't subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. So yeah, that is it for MotoGP 17. So the game will be back on Monday. I don't know what we're doing on Monday yet. I don't know. I've no idea, but I'll let you know. I think we are actually doing one of the career modes anyway. I know that's one of the videos, but I'll let you know anyway what we end up doing. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.